The 352nd governing body meeting of the International Labour Organization was held in which city? Option A, Geneva, Switzerland. Which state government recently launched Deepam 2.0 scheme? Option C, Andhra Pradesh. Claudia Sheinbaum has recently taken oath as the first female president of which country? Option A, Mexico. Which edition of Vietnam-India Bilateral Military Exercise, VINBAX, 2024 has begun in Ambala, Haryana? Option B, 5th. Where was the International Conference on Nature-Based Solutions held in India? Option C, Guwahati. Which state won the Senior National Men's Handball Championship 2024 title? Option D, Kerala. What is the rank of India in tobacco industry? Option B, 2nd. Which country has launched the Rural Community Immigration Class Scheme? Option C, Canada. Which zoological park has become India's first zoo to earn certification from the Indian Green Building Council? Option A, Durgesh Aranya Zoological Park, Himachal Pradesh. Which institution has launched Payodhi, a human milk bank for critically ill preterm babies? Option B, AIIMS, New Delhi. Which institute has launched India's first cancer genome database to help research on the disease? Option D, IIT Madras. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of the Meghalaya High Court? Option C, Justice Indra Prasanna Mukherjee. Who has been appointed as the new Space Secretary and Chairman of the Indian Space Research Organisation? Option C, V. Narayanan. What is the name of India's first AI-powered app launched for accessibility audits in India? Option D, Yes to Access. Which country was the host of 2024 World Weightlifting Championship? Option B, Bahrain. Who has become the first woman officer to take over as the Director General, Armed Forces Medical Services? Option D, Aarti Saran. Which state became the second state after Haryana to launch Bima Sakhi Yojana? Option A, Goa. Which state in India launched its first comprehensive caste census since 1931? Option C, Telangana. Which state launched the Ladki Bahin scheme? Option A, Maharashtra. Rajagopala Chidambaram, who passed away in January, was associated with which field? Option D, Nuclear Physics. Who has been appointed Director General of the Central Reserve Police Force? Option A, Gyanendra Pratap Singh. Which northeastern state has implemented odd-even scheme to reduce traffic congestion? Option D, Sikkim. Where was the World Sustainable Development Summit 2025 organized? Option B, New Delhi. Who has won the World Boxing Federation's Super Featherweight World Title 2024? Option D, Mandeep Jangra. Which university is named the India's most sustainable university, as per QS World University Rankings, Sustainability 2025? Option C, IIT Delhi. Konstantin Tazoulas has been elected as president of which country in February 2025? Option B, Greece. Where was the Festival of Letters 2025 organized? Option A, New Delhi. Jotham Napat has been elected as Prime Minister of which country in February 2025? Option C, Vanuatu. Which country has developed a new anti-missile system called Dark Eagle? Option D, United States of America. Which is the 56th Tiger Reserve of India? Option A, Guru Ghasidas Tamor Pingla Tiger Reserve. Nishtha program is associated to which field? Option B, Education. Who has won the FIH Male Player of the Year Award 2024? Option D, Harmanpreet Singh. Who won the men's singles title of the Uganda International Challenge 2025 Badminton Championship? Option A, Manraj Singh. What is the name of the pilot project launched for urban land survey in India? Option D, Naksha. Duma Boko has been elected as the president of which country? Option B, Botswana. The Uttar Pradesh government launched the state's first double-decker electric bus service in which city? Option A, Lucknow. Which country won the Asian Women's Kabaddi Championship 2025? Option D, India. Which country has organized the International Pashmina Festival in January 2025? Option C, Nepal. Who has become the World Junior Chess Champion 2025 at Petrovac, Montenegro? Option B, Pranav Venkatesh. The Commonwealth of Dominica will confer its highest national award, the Dominica Award of Honor, on which of the following leaders? Option B, Narendra Modi. Viksit Panchayat Karmayogi initiative is part of which campaign? Option D, Pareshan Gaon Ki Or. Which city was the host of Armed Forces Flag Day, AFFD, Corporate Social Responsibility, CSR, Conclave? Option A, New Delhi. General Upendra Dwivedi received the rank of Honorary General of which country's army? Option C, Nepal. Where was the first Bodoland Mahotsav inaugurated? Option A, New Delhi. What is the name of the free healthcare scheme announced by Delhi government for all citizens aged 60 and above? Option D, Sanjeevani Yojana. Which country has banned the creation of central bank digital currency, CBDC, in January 2025? Option A, United States. Which country has developed an mRNA vaccine for cancer patients? Option B, Russia. Who won the Gold Mercury Award 2025 for Peace and Stability? Option A, Tenzin Gyatso, the 14th Dalai Lama. Who won the 2025 Chennai Open Tennis Men's Single title? Option D. Kirian Jacquet. Which organization has developed the Yashas aircraft? Option B. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL.
Thank you for watching the video.